I've been seeing these YouTube videos showing up on my feed about how to make YouTube shorts in just minutes with AI. I even saw one like that on my channel. Not even sure how it got there. But I can certainly understand the interest. Because apparently a large portion of YouTube's 4 billion viewership actually comes from YouTube Shorts. And well, of course, the fact that YouTube Shorts are now monetizable. And so if you're anything like I am and have been wanting to get in on that action, the YouTube Shorts action, that is. And well, you feel a bit overwhelmed by what seems to be a lot of work, then you're going to want to stick around to watch the next few minutes. Because I'm going to introduce to you an incredible but super simple AI-powered faceless method that will forever change the way you think about creating YouTube Shorts. Forever. Anyway, so I thought to myself, let's try this AI method. Yeah, but how are we going to do? Well, we both thought it was a great idea. Actually try making one of these shorts in record time using AI. And I also thought, why not do this with an actual timer and everything? This seemed to have worked well in the last video. One more to go. Kinda. Okay, fine. So I'll use a real timer in this video. Now remember, with this technique, you can create captivating YouTube shorts in just 5 minutes, giving you more time to focus on more important things in life, like subscribing to really good channels, like this one. So go ahead and do that. Now for this free AI faceless method. Wait, that's a mouthful. How about we call it FIFM? Yeah, that's much better, I think. So for this FIFM, I'll be using 2 incredible AI tools. The first one, not only is it going to help me come up with a video idea for the YouTube short, but it's going to help me come up with the best title as well as the entire video script. You might have seen this showing up on your social media feed at some point. It's called chatgpt. And the second tool, tool number 2, is going to create the entire video almost automatically, once we have a finalized video script, of course. And in case you haven't heard about that one as yet, it's called invideo.io. Now, both of these tools are super user-friendly and packed with features that will make creating YouTube Shorts a breeze, a free breeze. I'm also going to be using YouTube as a starting point to help me pick a topic and the type of video before I actually jump into ChatGPT to get into more specific on the video idea. So how about we get started? Let me just start the timer right here. Wait. I'll just need you to press this like button right here before we get started so that we start properly. Right? We're good? Let's get started. Now, when using YouTube as a starting point, you can actually use Google first. Because as you can see, there are articles already created, like top 10 most profitable YouTube niches. And I searched for 100 YouTube niches, which I'm sure they must have an article or two like that, like this one, 116 best faceless YouTube niches. So what I'll do is quickly check this one, skim through and see if I find any topics that make sense for me to proceed with. And if you're doing this too, you should pick something that makes sense for you, something that you're actually interested in. And if you pick any one of them, there's a really good chance that there's some way of monetizing any one of them. Me right now, I'm interested in this general health topic. I'm going to head straight over to YouTube and search for health because, of course, it's a YouTube short that we're going to be making. And while there are YouTube shorts available for us to browse here and get ideas from, right before I show you this trick that I stumbled upon, let's narrow down this keyword a little bit. From this broad keyword health, if you see below, most of these search suggestions has healthy. So let's go with healthy space and see what other suggestions come up here. You can pick any one of these search terms and move forward with, or you can just come back up here and press space A or B or any other letter in the alphabet. Pressing J, I found one that I'm particularly interested in, health juice. The reason why I'm particularly interested in that one is because it can be linked to a particular affiliate product. Because remember, we're not doing this just to make videos. It's to make money. So back over on YouTube, I'll make sure this is for shorts. And I'm going to show you this trick that I stumbled upon where you can find videos that are doing really good right now on YouTube. All you have to do is hit filters, choose today, this week, or this month. I'll choose this month. And at the same time, we want to make sure that it's YouTube Shorts that shows up in the results. So I'll choose under 4 minutes. And here we go. What we're looking out for here now are videos that got a lot of views. And at the same time, the channel is not that large. Like, not really this one. This has 6 million subscribers and almost 1 million views. Not bad, but we're looking for a better example. We actually have one in the top result here. You must try this healthy juice. 700,000 views and way less subscribers. And there are also videos here with low subscribers, a lot of views, and ranking in the top 10 to 20 results. So this is a good sign. Now what I'll do next is quickly validate that search term with a keyword tool that I use called TubeBuddy. That can easily be found right here because I installed it. Which you could feel free to do that as well. I have a link in the description where you can access this tool called TubeBuddy. Once you install it, you hit the Keyword Explorer tool or go ahead and type healthy juice. I want to make sure this has good search volume as well as it's somewhat trending. Upward trending data and 156,000 monthly searches. I'm happy with that. To keep things simple, I'll just come on the right hand side here and look at one of these related searches and just pick one of these related searches for the actual title. There's healthy juice recipes. I like the one healthy juice for weight loss. That might be an easier one to create quickly. So healthy juice for weight loss, copy to clipboard. Next, I'm going to quickly create the script for the YouTube short using chatgpt. To get started with that, just head over to Google, search for chatgpt, hit that first link, and you should be taken to this page. Or you can just go ahead and hit try chatgpt. Once I'm in, what I do next is just type, give me 5 YouTube shorts ideas about, and paste what I just grabbed from TubeBuddy, which is healthy juice for weight loss. And let's see what ChatGPT says. So we're going to quickly grab one of these because I'm running out of time. I like this third one here that says my favorite juice recipe for a flat belly. Is that a fat belly or a flat belly? Okay, a flat belly. I'll quickly go back down here. Write a YouTube short script on idea number 3. And so let's see what ChatGPT quickly puts together for us. But what I want to do while we're actually in ChatGPT is get a really good title. So I'll just say, give me a YouTube title for idea number 3. But I want to make sure to include the keyword from TubeBuddy in that title. So what I'll say is this, and include the keyword, just paste that, healthy juice for weight loss. You know what, to save time, I'll say give me 5 YouTube titles, just in case we're not happy with the one that it shows up with. Yes, I'm liking this first one so far. My favorite healthy juice recipe for weight loss and a fat belly, a flat belly. Now, the next tool that I'll be using is what we're going to use to create the video automatically using AI. And well, it's called InVideo.ai, where I'm going to create the videos with AI and make any minor changes if needed. Now, if you want to try this along with me, you're going to have to sign up using the link in the description below, where you can sign up for free and use this absolutely for free as long as you need. So the premium features are really good, but the truth is that it's not really necessary at this point. You have everything that you really need to get started with in this free plan. Once you're signed up and logged in, come straight over to this side and hit text to video and then hit portrait. Just quickly have a look at the different templates here and pick one that you think might be suitable for your YouTube short. I'll go with this one, hit use template. Now in this area for the script, you're going to go back over to ChatGPT and to speed things along, highlight the entire YouTube script, which is not a lot. Right click, copy, back over to InVideo.io and paste this over here. Now based on the search query that we ran in ChatGPT, it includes information like host and stuff like that. We'll just be removing this. I'll quickly just delete these things, just like that. Once we clear this up, separate these different sentences into different scenes. And once that's done, I'll make sure that auto suggest images and videos is selected. When I hit create scene, what InVideo.io is doing there is taking the script and putting it into different scenes, picking the best footage, what is most suitable based on the script and their archives. And this is what the first scene looks like. A healthy drink was automatically selected. The text is on the screen. There's a little bit of a transition there. But what I like to do to speed up the process is go straight to the editor. And I'll quickly skim through to see if the footage is relevant. The text that's on the screen. This talks about green apples and there's a green apple right there. So I'll move on to the next one. I don't like this selection too much. It looks like a flower in the background. Nothing here says flower. It says fiber. But it does say help to keep you feeling full longer. So I'll come over here and search for maybe thumbs up. Or perhaps somebody holding their belly smiling. Now this may not be totally appropriate, but it certainly should help somebody feel a little more engaged with the video. Because some might think it's funny. Let me just move this around and make sure that the drink is in the scene. Put this text up here and change the color of that text to something maybe other than white. And I'm sure people will believe it's a smoothie in that glass and not something else. Next scene is ginger. I'm seeing the word ginger there. Let's search for ginger. This looks like ginger. So grab that, drop that there. I'm going to replace that. So I'll click add to the scene. Pull this around to make the ginger a little bit more visible. Now to the next scene, celery. Grab this celery, drop that there. Next scene, finally add some kale. Here's some kale being chopped up. Take that, grab that, drop it there. And we're almost done. This text looks more suitable up here. Let's make it bold. Okay, so the next scene goes to a blender. And it just so happened this one is actually good to go because it says let's juice these ingredients together. And there's footage in the background with some fruits being blended. So I won't even bother to look at that one. I'll just move to the next scene. A lady wearing a big pants. But this one is about weight loss. So this footage is also good to go. The only change that I'll make is because the text seems to be a bit short. I don't think you need all of this, which is the duration of this scene. So I'll just pull this in a little bit and move on to the final scene. So this should give somebody an idea to type up something in the comments. Pull this one a little bit shorter and that's it. The video is done. Really, no, we're not done as yet. We need to put some like background music. And we're also not going to use any voiceovers in this one. Because if you recall over on the YouTube search, a lot of the videos here doesn't even have a voiceover. This one that actually shows the recipe just has sound effects. So what I will do is just listen to some of the background music available over in InVideo.io, where the changes will be made to this scene, which it already has the story block audio created. To access all of those audio files, you just need to come to Music, find the genre of your choice, maybe chill out and sip this healthy smoothie. And I think walking on the beach sounds good. I'll just delete what is there and drag and drop this walking on the beach onto the timeline. Adjust the volume a little, carrying it down a little bit. That's it, the video is done. Let's see what it looks like. Well, I can't play the entire thing, that'll just take too long, but what I could do is this. I'll just go to the top here and skim through the entire thing so you can see what all the different scenes and text look like in the video. And once you're done, you come up to this export button here and then hit export. Remember, once you're using the free version, you just have that limitation of downloading in 720p, which is still good enough for YouTube. But to get the best video quality, you need the full HD version, and that's the premium version, where it works out to just $15 a month. Totally up to you. Remember, you could just use the free version to get started with. Now remember, when you're uploading that video over on YouTube, you're going to need that title, the title that we generated with ChatGPT, where I simply told ChatGPT to give me 5 YouTube titles for that idea. And I think I picked this one, but it's your choice. So there you have it. I was able to create a faceless YouTube short in just 5 minutes. Well, kinda. And I did it using a free AI method. And I didn't even cheat once. Well, I most likely didn't. And YouTubers don't lie. It's true. Now that you know how easy and efficient it is to create YouTube shorts using this method, time to give it a try yourself. Start experimenting with ChatGPT and InVideo.io and see how easy it can revolutionize the way that you make videos, grow your channel, and make money. Now, if you like this challenge, don't forget to actually like it. But if you wanted to see a more detailed script for a longer form YouTube video in a way you probably haven't seen before and in record time, then you're going to want to check out this video next.